Hey guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Today I got a new little product for you. We got our new mesh vent inserts for the 23.5 CVOs and the 24 and later Road Glides. We're going to go over that today with a little quick install, real quick, easy, nice little upgrade. Put some mesh in there to block the bugs and whatnot coming through the vents there. So let's get after it. Hey guys, I'm here at the bike. I got it raised up so you can see it a little better. But these inserts, they're just going to go right here onto the stock headlight behind it actually. So I'm going to install that real quick. I'm going to get everything removed and then show you where they go. So let me get that going and I'll be right back. All right, here I got the headlight here. What we got to do is we're going to peel this foam out of here because our vents will take place of the foam. So make sure you get all the foam out of here. Just peel it out, it comes out real easy. Peel it all out of there. And then simply drop in the vent. Fits in there perfectly. Once I get the other one in here, I'll throw the headlight back on and show you what it looks like. All right, I got the headlight back in there, and as you can see the vent in there. It looks great. Simple added feature. Just a nice little decorative piece. Everything's good. You'll just snap on, put back on the fairing, windshield, same way you took everything apart. And that's it. Pretty simple install. And like always, you can buy these at your local drag specialties dealer. And of course, customdynamics.com.